I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a clean Excel table saved to OneDrive or Google Drive so Canva can access it. First, convert your range into a proper table with headers. This ensures Canva reads fields correctly. Next, open Canva, pick your design, and go to Apps on the left. Install the Google Drive or OneDrive app if not already connected. Once done, sign into the same account used for Excel. This immediate setup gets you to the file selection step without delays. Now import the spreadsheet into your Canva design by opening the Drive app and selecting the exact file and worksheet you prepared. Once the file is linked, add a chart, table, or data-driven element and choose Upload Data or Connect Data to bring values in. You'll see column headers presented. Map each column to the appropriate visual field, changing numeric, date, or text formats as needed so labels and values render correctly. Make sure to preview changes before committing them. Finish by styling the imported chart or table to match your design, then save and export as needed. To update visuals when the Excel file changes, use Canva's Refresh or Reconnect option so new data syncs into the design. If the link breaks, the most common causes are permissions, moved files, or missing table headers. Recheck sharing settings and file location, or rebuild the Excel range as a table with headers and reconnect. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.